Good morning. It's early. Sorry, this is Ed, Hi-Fi Editor for AVForums. It's still early. That's why I'm getting my words mixed up. I'm in the Eurostar's Departure Lounge. I am heading off to France to have a look at a new Triangle powered loudspeaker, and we all thought it was a jolly, amusing idea at the time to film bits of that and see how we get on. So this is the start point to that, and I'll try and shoot some segmenty bits and see what there is to see. I'll speak to you all later. Right then, I'm here in Soissons, just north of Paris. And this is the Triangle factory. We're going to have a look around some historical product. We're going to see how they make things now, and then we're going to be showing the new Capella wireless active loudspeaker. Right then, I have firstly magically changed my t-shirt since some of the other parts of this video were shot, because I am seamless and professional. I have taken the product in question away from the listening room and got myself a minute or two to actually run through some of the basics. This is the Triangle Capella wireless active loudspeaker system. The Capella itself is heavily based on an existing passive model, but has been made active. The manner in which Triangle has done this is quite interesting, because they've looked at a number of solutions that, bluntly speaking, we've seen in other products that we've reviewed, and their view is some of the things they do is impressive, but their absolute concern is stability. So the principle for Capella is two powered speakers which wirelessly receive a signal from a transmitting box. Triangle's gone for the third box. One, they feel that the Weezer system that it uses is extremely stable in use, has been tested in a variety of locations. It also collates your inputs in a way that is, I have to say, something that I've been criticising speakers where you're running cables off to one side. It avoids that, and it's relatively tidy. Each driver has 50 watts of Class D power. The port has been shifted to the underside. There's a very neat and tidy foot assembly. There is also a wired override. You can discard the box and use this as a classic active loudspeaker should you see fit. The connection box itself is well specified. The all-important HDMI ARC connection is there, 3 opticals, 1 coaxial, USB audio, and there is a Bluetooth setting as well, as best as I can work out. Single line input, no phono stage. They took the decision that if you're desperate to connect a turntable to this, you'll sort your own phono stage out, and I have to say that I agree with that assessment completely. The really, really interesting part about this for me is the price. In the UK, Triangle anticipates this being available for £2,300. Now, we've looked at a few different things, and let's be honest, they all cost a bit more than this. And having sat and listened to this, and it's not just me being full of wine, I think that this is a bit of a bargain. There's a lot to like about the performance. It feels like a lot of product for the money, and the care and attention that's gone into some aspects of the design. Little things like, there's probably a video showing it. I've shot lots of video, and I'm rather hoping that Phil makes sense of it once I've sent it to him. Little things like this box comes paired to the loudspeakers. It's something they do at the factory because it's built here in Soissons. So the business of actually getting it up and running is solely dependent on connecting this via Google Home to your network, and that part works quite well. The number of times that I've written reviews where I've pointed out that actually pairing the loudspeakers is torturous, they've gone out of their way to ensure that that isn't an issue. The other area where I think they've done rather well is finish. Now I was able to run off with the brown pair. The brown pair, I love the brown pair, but I'm you know, that sort of person. I like these sort of things. It's a very 1970s sort of thing, but I think it's effortlessly cool. If you're not the same way as me, and that's fine, not everyone is. There are a blue wood finish, which sounds bonkers, but it looks sensational. I've shot some video of it in other parts of it, so hopefully that will be shown. And then if you're not up for madness, there's piano black and piano white. It's a genuinely good looking product. I mean, it's a bit close to the camera here, but proportionally, I think it's almost perfect for the sort of application that it's going to be finding itself in, and there are enough finishes to ensure it's probably going to work in your listing space. And the attention to detail, quality of finish is really very, very good indeed. I have to say, obviously the caveat to these sort of things is that I've been immersed in Triangle now for over a day. I have to say that I'm genuinely looking forward to getting these into my lounge and seeing what they can do, because there's a lot to like. Otherwise, we've been shown what the company has planned next. We haven't filmed that because obviously that's what they've got planned next. How they build things, and generally speaking, getting an idea of what the mechanics of being a relatively small company, still building a lot of their products domestically, what that entails, and how you keep things competitive. It's genuinely heartening to see lots of passionate people here making some genuinely interesting stuff. Hopefully some of that's come out in the video. It's all a bit hit and miss at the moment. It's still relatively early me doing these things, but I'm hoping there's something loosely tolerable in there somewhere. If you've enjoyed this content, well, I will be trying to do more of it as and when I go out to see people, and we can sort of try and generate more of it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.